Hello, my name is Jason Chan, and this is the first class day preparation for September 9th, and this is the GameON Programming 1 Intro with Java for the Hearts Academy 2011-2012 for both periods 4 and 5. Hi, my name is Jason Chan, also known as Mr. C. I'm from Encourage and Empower, the instructor there, and there's the website for your later perusal. Let's move on. We got about several slides to go over to help us get ready for this Friday. And again, just do your best as possible to prepare yourself for this Friday and beyond. Okay, here are the programming tools needed specifically for semester 1. Mainly, we're going to use this tool called Scratch. Now, I ask us to download and test it prior to the first class day. Now, here's the website. To get started, to know what you can download. And the cool thing about this Scratch tool, it's developed from MIT, and it's actually used in Harvard for their CS50 class. And the reason why I'm using this special tool is it's been endorsed specifically by Sun/Oracle. Sun/Oracle, this is the company that actually created and also maintains Java, the target language in which we're going to be learning. And the cool thing about Scratch, it runs on both Windows XP or better, as well as the Mac OS. Now, later on, hopefully about halfway through the semester, we'll be using another tool called Greenfoot. Now, again, we'll use that later after we're through with the Scratch-based curriculum. And when the time comes, I'll show you later on again the web link to download that tool. And by the way, Greenfoot is developed by the University of Kent. Where's that? Well, that's in Cambridge, England, and it's endorsed also by Sun/Oracle. It also runs on both Windows XP or better, as well as the Mac OS. Now, here's some writing tools for us to bring. Specifically, it'd be helpful if we have those non-black pen or pencil. The reason being is we're going to highlight against black and white handouts, and having it being non-black, such as red, blue, or green, it'll stand out a lot better, especially when you're in a rush and taking these open book quizzes and so forth and doing your homework. Now, specifically, I like the erasable blue-red pens. They work great for this purpose. And also bring your paper, half-inch binder minimum, and optional is a highlight marker. Now, we're getting a little more deeper regarding more tools. These are what I call the web administration tools. Now, ideally, mainly, we need email access, whether it's on your own or through your parents. And this element is really key. This is what I'm calling the Google account, which we need to set up if you don't have one already. The reason why we're going to use a Google account allows us to access an ad-free, cost-free, as well as private invite-only Google web communication tools for the instructor, the student, and the parents to use. And this has been based on popular requests by the parents out there for the GameON programming class, meaning we want a more safe and secure way to connect with each other versus using Facebook. Now, to access these Google Web tools, one needs to create, again, as I mentioned, this general-purpose Google account. Now, you can find this Google account at this website, google.com/accounts. And on there, you can click on the button called Create an Account for Free, at least the last time I saw it. Now, to start such a Google account, this general-purpose account, all you need are two things. One is an existing email address. Even a non-Gmail account will do. And two, a unique password. And the good news is that you're not obligated to create nor have a Gmail account to gain access to these Google Web tools. Now, the third web admin tool that we'll be using is online homework submittals and gradebook, which I'll announce later on, not to overload you guys with too much information for today at least. And please contact me with any questions or comments regarding this special topic regarding this Google account subject. I'll be happy to explain more in person, whether over the phone or through email. Now, just for those who are curious, now what are these web communication tools that we'll be using if I get this Google account? Now, these web access tools, which are ad-free, cost-free, private invite only. They are of two things. First, it is a Google site. I'm specifically using www.sites.google.com/site/encourage-empower-private. And I'm emphasizing the need to keep this safe and secure, only accessible to clients of this class. And again, this is a private website for homework, quiz announcements, downloads, and absentee makeups. And it will be maintained by the Encourage and Empower staff, which includes me. The second of those web comm tools would be the www.groups.google.com/group/GameON Programming 01. Now, this is a private discussion group for collaboration and collegiality, much like Facebook, but a lot safer and secure. And this also will be monitored by the Encourage and Empower staff, which includes me. And by the way, if you already visited my prior website, encourageandempower.com, that'll still be available more for the public front end for inquiring potential clients. Now let's wrap up here. Now we got this enrollment status, and I thank God for the Heart Academy support. For period 4, we have 14 students enrolled. I thank God for the show of support this way. But it does create some challenges since there's going to be a lot of students in that one room. So I thank God for the Hearts Academy leadership. They've opened up a new period, which is period 5, just to offload the current students in the original class. Now, right now, 4 students have pulled over from period 4 into period 5, but that still leaves 14 students in period 4. So I still encourage anyone still in period 4 to consider moving on to period 5 if it's available for them, and it should be at no extra cost to you. Any more questions on this regard, please talk to Chrissy, email her, or you can also talk to me. But mainly, Chrissy is the one who's going to be doing the final administration process for this. Lastly, you can contact me through this email address, encourageandempower.jwchan@gmail.com. Here's my landline, and here's my cell just for the quick, brief calls. Well, see you then. Blessings for the cross of Christ. Mr. C, also known as Jason W. Chan. See you later. Bye.